Good morning. Today I'm going to attempt to replace the back window. As you can see, there's a crack on it. This is on my Lance 825. I've never actually done this before, so we're going to take this journey together and see how it goes. It's a frosted window, and I'm going to replace it with this new AP Products Thin Shade replacement window. Alright, let's get started. The screws are on the inside of the door, and so we're going to start with taping the frame on the outside. I don't want the glass to fall out once we pull the screws out. So we're just going to do a really quick tape job to hold the frame in place. That should be good. We should open up the box and go through, get the parts ready to install. Inside frame, the window, the shade, and the hardware. The instructions. Okay, the instructions say that we should tape the outside, which I've done. And it also says that the glass and the frame are one piece. So maybe I should do some more taping. Did anybody see what I did with my tape? And then it says to remove the screws. So let me grab my tape. Okay, now we have the glass taped to the window, so let's remove the screws. Alright, that worked out really good. Alright, that was easy. We just pulled those screws out and removed the frame and the glass. And it's looking pretty dirty in here, so I'm going to take a few minutes to clean this up before we put the new stuff in. So far it seems to be a pretty simple job. Look how dirty that is. So this kit is great. I don't have to seal anything. It comes with the seal. It says to just place the glass on the outer frame over the seal and then tape it so that it can't fall when you install it. So that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to tape it. So I wouldn't totally rely on that, but we'll see what happens if we're really careful. Okay. Although it's awfully dirty, it looks like none of the styrofoam got wet, so it was sealed really nice. It just got some dirt in there, but it's still solid. So I just cleaned it up with some simple green, and I think we're just about ready to go back in. This particular window came with a sunshade. So we're just going to put this in right now. It just snaps right into place like this. Just pull that up a little. There's little clips that hold it in place like that. Oops. Okay. Shades in. All right, now it's time to put the window on. We have the glass taped up. So we'll just put the window in the hole like that. And then we'll tape it. Whoops, that one went kind of wonky. Not excellent, but it looks like it's going to work. Okay. And now to put the inside in. Okay, I got the screws in, just need to tighten them up. Just gonna tighten them up in like a star pattern. Seems like a pretty nice kit. I didn't have to do any sealing, all the sealing was already there. Okay, I'll just run over real quick, make sure we didn't forget any. Got one little quick tighten down. So I got a couple loose still. Okay, good. 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 I should like this black better than the white. Alright, that's good. Let's check the shade. Nice. Shade goes up and down. Put it up for now. Okay, I think all we have left is to peel the tape. Wonky one. The new window has a shade. The old window did not. It's pretty nice. And this is what it looks like now. As far as technical ability, I would say this is super easy. Especially if you just follow the directions. Do it step by step like the directions say, and it was really easy. Probably half-hour job. So that should wrap this up. Thanks for watching, and do something amazing today. See ya.